Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Listen, today, grab someone that you love, someone that you care about, give them a big hug and let them know that you're thankful for them. I'm thankful for, my family. I'm thankful for my pets, for my workplace. And also, guys, I'm thankful for each and every one of you. That's right. If you're watching this video right now, I am thankful for you. Well, while I have you, I just wanted to let you guys know that tomorrow is Black Friday. So there's going to be tons of sales. In fact, the entire store, my store, joshhokum.com, everything on the store is going to be on sale for Black Friday tomorrow. So make sure you head over there, get you something nice for yourself, get you something nice for your loved ones if you want to, for that coworker if you want to get them something nice, okay? Everything is going to be on sale, and you'll get it just in time for the holidays, okay? So head on over there, get you something nice. Well, listen, guys, we're going to get started with this vlog. It's Freeport. It is an awesome day, tons of dancing, a little bit of rain, and a little bit of excitement, okay? Have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving. And without further ado, let's roll that vlog. Oh, we're getting ready to get killed. We're getting ready to die. Good morning, guys. We're here in Freeport. It actually is a lot, this is going to sound bad, it's a lot prettier than I thought it was going to be. We're here today until 1:30. Let me come up here though, there's a special surprise up this way. Oh, you guys may be getting a little blurry, hold on. There we go, now maybe we're a little better. It's really humid out here today. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but check that out. What is that? That is the currently being renovated Carnival Elation. So it is currently in dry dock. There's also a ship beside of it, but it's currently in dry dock. Getting renovated. It's getting a lot of stuff added. Balconies added. It's getting a ducktail added to the back of it. So a lot of stuff being done on that ship over there. Really cool to see it though. So yeah, today we are just doing a beach day. We've got an excursion to go to I want to say Taviana Beach, but I know it's not that. It's like another beach, I think maybe in Grand Cayman or something. So we're doing a beach day today, and then we'll be back on the ship. Like I said, we leave at 1 or 1:30 today. I can't remember which one it is. If the weather clears up, it's really, really gross over here. If the weather clears up, may do the water slides today, this afternoon. But then I've also got a meeting at 2 p.m. With a crew member. I'm not going to tell you guys what crew member it is, obviously. It is a personal meeting, just to kind of get some things set up and laid out. So we'll leave it there. So I guess right now I'm going to go ahead and go down, find my parents, and we're going to meet in the what is this thing? What is the name of the theater? Whatever the name of the theater is, we have to meet there. Whew, it's a lot of people, Mama.
Probably not. Okay, roll my shirt before you fly.
We're out here. Last time we'll see the Carnival Pride like this.
Well,
huh?
when we come back in.
Yeah, when we come back in today. And then until we come back to the Carnival Pride. Because we will be back. Dun, dun, dun.
And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
go. You ready?
Ready.
Maybe. That's right, look at this. Alright, so the rain's coming down. Oh, we're getting ready to get killed. We're getting ready to die.
Oh my God.
Beautiful day in Freeport. He is not letting anybody ruin his vacation. I think I might go join him.
Martinique, she can raise her behind so you can see her. So Carnival Pride, please don't make this spend it down. We're on your vacay. We're going to do our best to ensure that you have a great time. But if you're going out, please be safe.
I'm ready, what?
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
The water's warmer than the rain.
You are a nut.
They're playing Flip Cup right now. Apparently it's an American game. We've been out here a couple hours. It's still kind of raining. And like gross and stuff outside. But pro tip right here. So if the lunch right here is supposed to be really, really expensive, right?
About the same as what it was for Balmoral, but after a period of Balmoral, we're a little skittish.
Yeah. So if you want, people have suggested bring like some trail mix or something, something light that you can just snack on. Especially today, since we're only here until what, 12:30. We really can just go back to the ship and eat, you know. So not really worried about the lunch today. I guess maybe we're here longer than okay. It could be justified, you know. I was thinking about getting a kayak, but I'm not sure with these waves if it's gonna work.
2 stomps, left foot 2 stomps, slide to the left, slide to the right, crisscross, crisscross, cha-cha real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left, take it back now y'all. 2 hops this time, 2 hops this time. Reverse, 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 reverse. Cha-cha now y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out.
All the shorties in the club, let me see you just back it up, drop it down, let me see you just get low, strut the ground, let me see you just push it up, let me see you just.
Back it up.
Watch me, nay.
Why me do it?
Watch me. Bye!
Have a safe trip.
Thank you! I had fun today. Did you?
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Beautiful sunshine today. What a great day in Freeport. Beautiful sunshine today. For 10 minutes. Alright, we're getting back on the show. It actually was a pretty good day in Freeport today. I was pleasantly surprised and impressed, really. They have done it up a lot better than I thought they would.
And we'll grow in.
Next time, sitting up here on the on deck 9, we messed up. Ugh.
Good, but I don't have no shell service.
Comedy tonight. Bye guys.
We'll go.